Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Malto channel. This time I will explain about 20 benefits of green coconut water for health. Who does not know coconut fruit? Coconut has Latin name Cocos Nucifera. Coconut is a type of plant belonging to the areca nut, Arecaceae. Coconut plants are often found on the coast, while coconut fruit is now very easy to get anywhere. Coconut fruits are quite a lot of coconut fruit have high economic value. This causes coconuts are widely sold on the market, and coconut fruit easy to find anywhere. Coconut fruits are getting higher because people know the many benefits contained in the coconut. Green coconut. Currently coconut water from the type of green coconut is very popular in the community, because the benefits of green coconut water is very many ones. Green coconut water contains many benefits, and also the price of green coconut water is more expensive than ordinary coconut water. Green coconut water is well consumed for children, adolescents, and also parents, even for pregnant women and infants. This is the 20 benefits of green coconut water. Number 1. Green coconut to lose weight. Many of today's women are afraid of excessive weight. Most women will keep their weight heavily. Most of them consume drugs to get the ideal weight instantly. But the use of weight loss drugs has some side effects are quite dangerous when consumed in excess. The price of weight loss medicines is not cheap. For that, instead of having to spend a lot of money to get the ideal body weight, we better consume green coconut water regularly. One of the benefits of green coconut water is to lose weight naturally. Green coconut water content to lose weight. Green coconut water has a very low content of fat, sugar and calories. Utilizing green coconut water as a weight loss drug does not cause side effects. So, it is better to consume green coconut water instead of having to buy chemical drugs to get the ideal weight. Number 2. Green coconut water can neutralize toxins in the body. The benefits of green coconut water then is to neutralize toxins in the body. It's been a long time since people believed that powerful green coconut water pours out the toxins contained in the body. The content of tannin and antidotum, antitoxins, contained in green coconut water is very high. Green coconut water also contains enzymes that can break down toxic properties in the body. Good for detoxification of the body. Number 3. Eliminates dehydration. Green coconut water has a lot in common with the fluid that is inside our body. In addition, the content of electrolytes in green coconut water is very high. Green coconut water that has a very high electrolyte content can replace fluids lost in our body when we are on the move. Another content contained in green coconut water is potassium, which is useful for maintaining water pressure in cells and in the blood. In addition, green coconut water is very easily absorbed by the body. That's the reason why green coconut water can eliminate dehydration in the body. Number 4. As an anti-diseases for pregnant women and fetuses. Green coconut water contains lauric acid compounds. These compounds can help fight various diseases. Lauric acid is also found in breast milk and has similar characteristics for antifungal, antibacterial, and antivirus. So that green coconut water is good for pregnant women and fetus. Number 5. Adds energy in the body. For those of you who have a lot of activities that are quite heavy, green coconut water can be used as a beverage to add energy naturally. Green coconut water also has a normalizing effect. The content of enough vitamins in green coconut water can increase our energy during the activity. Green coconut water can be drunk by mixing it with honey. Number 6. Increase the nutritional content in the body. For those of you who feel malnourished, then you can consume green coconut water as an additional nutrient for your body. The abundance of absorbed vitamins and minerals can help provide nutrients for your body. Number 7. Maintain heart health. The amount of vitamins and useful content for the body contained in green coconut water was also able to be used to maintain heart health. Number 8. Maintaining kidney health. Kidney is a very important organ for our body. By consuming green coconut water regularly, then we can maintain health on the kidneys. Number 9. Maintain the digestive system. For those of you who have difficulty in the digestive system such as constipation, then you can try green coconut water as a medicine. The content of green coconut water that can decompose toxins in the body can also decompose the garbage or dirt contained in the body and issue through a bowel movement. Number 10. Ward off free radicals. Green coconut water contains antioxidant substances that can help ward off free radicals that help inhibit premature aging of the skin. Number 11. Keep blood pressure steady. Green coconut water containing magnesium and potassium can help to keep blood pressure stable for high blood sufferers naturally. Number 12. Treating migraine diseases. The magnesium content of green coconut water can help treat migraine disease. Number 13. Maintain cholesterol levels. For those of you who have problems at high cholesterol levels, then you can consume green coconut water regularly. The low-fat content in green coconut water is believed to keep cholesterol levels in our body. Number 14. Supports the immune system. The content of lauric acid in the form of antivirus and antibacteria contained in green coconut water can help the body in maintaining the immune system and help kill the worms, the dangerous worms in the body. Number 15. Increase HDL. The low-fat content in green coconut water is believed to increase HDL, good cholesterol, in our body. Number 16. Increase vitality in men. Most men currently consume excessive cigarettes. The content of nicotine in cigarettes can cause vitality in men decreased. Apparently consume green coconut water regularly also can reduce the content of nicotine in the body that disrupt the level of fertility in men. Number 17. Heals allergies on the skin. Some skin allergies occur due to viruses, bacteria, or fungi. Green coconut water that has the properties to break down viruses, bacteria, and fungi can help heal allergies on your skin. Number 18. Overcoming hair loss. Not many know that green coconut water is useful also to overcome hair loss. The content of glucose, amino acids, fructose, saccharose, minerals, and sucrose can help combat hair loss due to dandruff. The use of coconut water as a remedy over hair loss is by mixing salt into green coconut water and let sit overnight. After a night of silence, then wipe the head from scalp to tip of hair and massage for a while. After that, wrap with a towel and let sit overnight and rinse with warm hair the next day. Number 19. Make skin smooth. Skin beauty is a thing that every woman craves. Compounds contained in coconut water is useful to form collagen tissue on the skin. How to use it? It's easy. Just by drinking or by washing your face with green coconut water regularly can help remove acne, remove black stains on the face, remove fine wrinkles on the face, keep moisture on the skin, and prevent premature aging of the skin. Number 20. As a cure for febrile illness. The amount of substances contained in coconut water can also help reduce fever heat. Green coconut water can be used as a first aid medicine, which is by mixing a glass of green coconut water with a tablespoon of honey into warm water and then drunk to patients with fever. Green coconut water for pregnant women. The benefits of green coconut water for pregnant women have also been famous throughout the Indonesian universe. Coconut Brothers just know and offer customers who are pregnant with green coconut water. It is true. Here are some properties for pregnant mother. Maintain fetus health. Fertilize the fetus. Makes the fetus hair more dense. Avoid the fetus from abnormalities. Makes baby's skin smooth and white. Important, this info is circulating in the community, the truth needs to be checked again. So many benefits of green coconut water, it's no wonder at this time many people are starting to consume green coconut water. If there is a natural medicine, for what we buy chemical drugs that sometimes have side effects for our body. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.